Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Industry tailwinds are a good reason to keep today's income pick, BW LPG Limited, on your radar. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BWLP. The LPG market is experiencing a robust growth as world looks for cleaner, more energy efficient fuels. LPG, which also goes by propane, is known for its low carbon emission and is used widely in residential heating, transportation, cooking, and numerous industrial applications. In 2023, the global LPG market was valued at around $157.08 billion, and it is expected to grow 6.5% from 2024 through 2030, reaching more than $244 billion. One of the most compelling LPG marine shipping companies right now is BW LPG Limited. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, with a history that traces back to the 1930s, BW LPG is a world leader in LPG shipping with an operating fleet of, I think it's 55 vessels. 29 are owned very large gas carriers or VLGCs. 16 are operated or chartered. 8 of them are associated with its Indian subsidiary, and 2 are chartered medium gas carriers. Now, to meet the increased demand for LNG, BW LPG has been expanding its fleet. In 2024, it took delivery of 12 VLGCs it acquired back in August of 2024 for a little more than $1 billion. And in 2025, it expects to add an additional 13 VLGCs to its fleet. Now, with the expanded fleet, company or management has said it will maintain a balanced strategy targeting coverage of 35% to 40% of its fleet capacity using time charters and freight forwarding agreements. The current spot market, at least at this recording, is trading in the range of around $40,000 per day.
Yeah, let's talk about some numbers here. How did this company do in the third quarter of 2024?
I think pretty solid. For the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, BW reported daily time charter equivalents or TCE income of $46,800 and TCE income of $46,500 per calendar day. The 98% fleet utilization. TCE income for the quarter was $145.5 million, with its Indian subsidiary delivering a stable TCE income of $32.9 million. This resulted in net profit after tax, or NPAT, of $120 million. Now, looking ahead, management expects the market to remain solid for, at the time, it said the remainder of 2024, but also for 2025. Though it expects rates to fluctuate, which is typical for this industry. During the third quarter, for example, spot rates swung from as low as $23,000 per day to $50,000 per day. Now, with normalized export volumes, freight rates in the U.S. Gulf have found sort of an equilibrium level at around $40,000 per day.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see that it declared a quarterly dividend of 42 cents per share.
Yeah, returning capital to investors through its reliable dividend is a big part of BW LPG's business plan. It aims for annual payout ratio of 50% of NPAT, but that could jump to 75% to 100% should certain leverage ratios be met. Now, since its IPO in 2013, it has paid out more than 71% of its earnings as dividends. In 2023 alone, it paid out 98% of earnings. The company hasn't announced its fourth quarter results yet, so we don't know how well it did last year. Now, it continues to be a dividend powerhouse, though, in 2024. Third quarter, it declared a dividend of 42 cents per share, or $3.28 per share on an annual basis, for a forward yield of 26.73%. The third quarter payout represents 100% of shipping NPAT. Thanks to its growing fleet, shareholders should be able to look forward to big dividends in the coming quarters. In 2023, it reported free cash flow of $396.6 million, and over the trailing 12 months, free cash flow has been $553 million.
BWLP stock is up roughly 160% over the last 2 years.
Yeah, the energy sector, including marine shipping stocks, are experiencing renewed interest over Donald Trump's proposed tariffs on Canada and Mexico. Now, potential tariffs have been postponed for a month, but concerns on how energy tariffs will affect the U.S. have juiced some energy stocks. For example, tariffs against Canada that would result in higher gas prices within days, with you and me paying I think it's upwards of 15 cents per gallon or more at the pump. Now, as a result, energy plays like BWLP has performed well over the last month. As of this recording, it's rallied a little more than 11%. BWLP stock is also up almost 15% year to date and more than 35% on an annual basis. Now, that's the total returns and includes reinvested dividends. Had you opted to take the quarterly dividend in cash, the annual return slips to just 11.5%. Now, over the past 2 years, BWLP stock has posted total profits of 160%. If you didn't reinvest those dividends, the returns slip significantly to 60%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, BWLPG is world's leading owner and operator of VLGCs vessels. It has a strong balance sheet and is expanding its fleet, with management expecting industry dynamics to remain solid in 2025. Thanks to a solid free cash flow and NPAT, it is able to provide investors with reliable dividend. This includes a 42 cents per share payout in the third quarter of 2024 for a forward dividend yield of 26.73%. And this is good news for not just the common shareholders, but also for the 149 institutional owners that hold 33.4% of all outstanding shares. Some of the biggest holders of this company include Acadian Asset Management, Vanguard, Barclays, JP Morgan and Chase, and Goldman Sachs Group. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.